If you live in the United States, India, or in any other country of the world, you can easily find a lot of remote gigs and make money online from home while having a little to no experience in these industries. The first entry-level remote job is writing a content. If you have just a little bit of creativity, you can easily sell your services by creating the blog posts and writing articles for various clients online. Media Bistro is one of the best sites where one can apply for content writing jobs. This is how it looks like. Just type in a gig name or simply use the filters to sort by the job type, experience level and duration. Grow is also a cool platform when it comes to writing jobs availability. The interface is pretty simple. Just click a tab Find, then type in content writing. You'll get tons of jobs. Pick one which corresponds to your skills. The next zero experience remote work is to convert audio files into text. But you have to be good at listening and demonstrating the professional typing skills. Casting words can be an ideal site for the beginners. After landing on the main page, scroll down to the very bottom and hit freelancers. To get started, it's enough to complete registration with 3 easy steps. Kickstart is another legit platform for transcriptionists. To become a transcriber, click here and create an account. Get familiar with this information and sign up to request your first assignments. Freelance graphic designer is also one of the best remote jobs for beginners. If you are just getting started, consider the platform which is called 99 Design. In order to complete a registration, scroll down to the bottom and click Become a Designer. After that, you can apply. Behance is also good for those who are searching for graphic designer jobs. After landing on the main page, hit a tab Jobs. You can pick freelance or full-time. Choose your location and creative field. Just take a look. Architecture, branding, fashion. There are tons of them. The next one is called Dribble, probably one of the most popular for graphic design jobs. After landing on the main page, you can choose the full-time, freelance jobs or just a designer search. On the right side, you can choose the specialties such as animation, brand graphic design, leadership. There is also an option of choosing your location and the job type, whether it is full-time or freelance contract. By scrolling down, you can see lots of recently published jobs in the United States, India and the European countries. People Per Hour is another great platform for freelance designers. You can also apply for many other side gigs here. To get started, find the button Freelancer, pick the option I want to work as a freelancer and sign up with the email. Consider also Design Hill for freelance designer jobs. In order to get started, click a button Join Now. Pick the option that you are a designer and you want to submit designs to customers. After that, complete the remaining steps of registration. Now, if you want to know more ways on how and where to make money online, I highly recommend you to check out one of my previous videos. This one might also be helpful for you. But before you go, as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button for today's topic and stay tuned. I'll be publishing more videos like this soon.